Welcome to English lesson. Today we shall talk about countable and uncountable nouns. So countable nouns are those that refer to something that can be counted. They have both singular and plural forms. A cat, cats. A cat, one cat, singular, and cats, more cats, many cats, plural. Countable nouns are used with the articles a, an, and the, or other quantifiers such as a few and many. Here is a cat. Here are a few cats. Here are some cats. Uncountable nouns are nouns that come in a state or quantity that is impossible to count, such as liquids, sand, air, or abstract ideas, knowledge, power. They are also called non-count nouns or mass nouns. Examples: rain, flower, earth, wine, wood, happiness, truth, darkness, humor. Let's consider the following sentences. There is some juice on the table. Juice is an uncountable noun, and we have a determiner, some, in front of it that expresses the quantity. Good information is necessary for making good decisions. Information. Would you like some coffee? Coffee. Some examples of uncountable nouns are words that express ideas and experiences: advice, information, progress, news, luck, fun, work. Materials and substances: water, rice, cement, gold, milk. Words related with weather and also the word weather: thunder, lightning, rain, snow. Names for groups or collections of things: furniture, equipment, rubbish, luggage. Other common uncountable nouns include accommodation, baggage, homework, knowledge, money, permission, research, traffic, travel. So, we can sometimes use countable noun phrases to talk about an individual example of a thing an uncountable noun refers to. For example, accommodation. To express singularity, we shall use the following nouns as a house, a flat, a place to live, a place to stay. Baggage, luggage, a suitcase, a bag, a rucksack. Bread. We need the determiner a loaf of bread, a roll. Work, a job, a task. Travel, a journey, a trip. Rain, a shower, a downpour, a storm. Poetry, a poem. Money, a note, a coin, a sum of money, a euro, a dollar. Luck, a stroke of luck. Lightning, a flash of lightning. Take a look at the sentence. We went on a trip to the Amazon when we were in Brazil. So we say we went on a trip. That is correct. and not we went on a travel. Please remember that uncountable nouns can't be preceded by a or an, and they usually take a singular verb. Time passes more and more quickly as you grow older. Time passes, singular verb. Love is like a physical pain for some people. Love is. Good education is the best investment in one's future. Good education is. The water tastes strange. Tastes. The weather has been unpredictable. The weather has been. Some nouns can be both countable and uncountable, depending on the meaning or the context of the word. Take a look at the sentences. Would you like some coffee? In this case, the noun coffee will be uncountable because it's referring to the drink in general. But when we say he ordered a coffee, it will be countable because it's referring to a cup of coffee. There is no truth in the rumors. Truth, in this case, is uncountable because it refers to the quality or state of being true. But in the sentence, the fundamental truths about human nature, it is countable because it's referring to facts or beliefs that are true. So let us match the partitive required to the noun. We have the following partitives: a loaf of, a bucket of, a jar of, a tube of, a slice of, a bulb, a clove of, a pint of, a bar of. And the nouns: beer, cheese, bread, paint, chocolate, garlic, toothpaste, marmalade. So how will be correct? A loaf of bread or a loaf of cheese? So the correct answers, of course, will be a loaf of bread and a bucket of paint and a jar of marmalade, a tube of toothpaste, a slice of cheese, a bulb or a clove of garlic, a pint of beer, and a bar of chocolate. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you understood which nouns are countable and which nouns are uncountable. Good studies to you, and till next lesson. Bye bye.